With 6 seating options, the full-sized J375 hot tub offers diverse seating options, from a full-body lounge seat to ergonomically designed therapy seats. Set apart by sophisticated pro-finish cabinetry with optional corner accent lighting, an easy-to-use control panel, ergonomic elements, and a Hydro-Soothe no-splash jetted massage pillow, relief looks as good as it feels. The J375 model introduces a unique Hydro-Soothe massage pillow, delivering a superior head and neck massage and a soothing cascade of water over the neck and shoulders without splashing or spraying. Highly engineered premium PowerPro jets, carefully placed for an elite hydromassage, make it easy to feel why the iconic Jacuzzi brand is recognized as the industry leader. The ProAir lounge seat is designed to pinpoint and knead muscles from your neck to your feet for total body relief. Small target jets focus on small back muscle groups, while along the spine, large, wide swath rotational jets cover larger muscles. Exclusive BX wrist jets, rotational leg jets, and foot jets deliver a full-body tension-easing massage. In the PowerPro therapy seat, a variety of PowerPro jets combine to target key areas of the neck, shoulders, and back. This relaxing massage is designed to ease muscles and pinpoint problematic areas. The perfect combination of PowerPro jets can be found in the FX seat, designed to stimulate surrounding tissue and release muscle knots. Spiraling, pulsating, complete back coverage and kneading, focused calf coverage equals a comprehensive massage for overall relief. In the MX therapy seat, the deep contour of the seat is perfect for positioning your body for the ideal hydromassage. This specialty seat offers deep tissue muscle knot relief in the back and tension release for the neck. Behind the calves, jets deliver a kneading effect to focus on small muscle groups. This model utilizes Clear-Ray UVC technology with a 4-stage filtration process that achieves cleaner water quickly with less effort. Experience the style and comfort of the J375 hot tub for yourself. Contact your local authorized Jacuzzi hot tub dealer and schedule a wet test today.